Good morning, children. Hope you all doing well, children. This is Computer Science Class 3. Have the lesson 4, Internet and its uses. You all know no internet? Yes, you have seen. You have all got the internet connection. Through internet connection only we are studying each and every day. Okay. Then we'll move for the first page. What is the page number? Page number is 21. All if you take page number 21, Internet and its uses. What is this? Internet and its uses. Introduction. Internet is a network of thousands of computers throughout the world. We can get and make information available on internet. It is the cheapest and the fastest mode of communication. So internet is what? Network of thousands of computers throughout the world, so we can get and make information available on internet. It is the cheapest and the fastest mode of communication. What is this? It is the cheapest and the fastest mode of communication. So getting connected to internet, how we'll get connected? Okay, we get connected to internet, we need a computer. Without computer we couldn't do. A modem and a telephone line. We also need a modem and telephone line. Internet help us to get connected to any other computer in the world through internet service provider. So this internet is get connected to any other computer in the world through what? Internet service providers. That is only ISP. So now you know you have the computer and the picture, modem is also there and the telephone is also there. So we have the each thing is connected to each other. Now we understood, children? Yes. Uses of internet. What are the uses of internet? Internet is useful to us in many ways. We can send and receive messages through internet through email. So we can send and receive messages through internet using an email. You can make conversation with your friends and relatives staying far away through internet using chatting feature. So what you have to do? You have to make conversation with your friends and relatives staying far away through internet using chatting feature. So in the video call also you can see your relatives and you can chat. No? Yes, this is the method. You can search for any information on any topic using internet. Another important use is what? You can search any information on any topic using internet. Okay. You can also do video conferencing using internet. You can also do video conferencing using internet. Next page, children. Now page number 22. See the uses. You can sit at home and buy any product by using online shopping feature in the internet. So you can sit in the home and buy any product by using online shopping feature in the internet. So these are the uses. These are the 5 uses you have. You can send and receive messages through internet using email. You can make conversation with your friends and relatives staying far away from internet using chatting feature. You can search for any information on any topic using internet. You can also do video conferencing using internet. You can sit at home and buy any product by using online shopping feature in the internet. Okay, children, these are the uses. So internet is used in email, online shopping and for searching information. Now email. What is email here? Electronic mail. The full form is electronic mail. It is the cheapest and the quickest mode of communication to your friends and relatives any part of the world. So electronic mail is similar to ordinary mail that you write and post. In ordinary mail you all need to a postcard or a letter and address your friends and relatives on the envelope. But here in the email you need an address which is called the email ID. That address what we call as an email ID. If you want to send communication, you must know the email ID of the person to whom you are sending the communication. You can type your message and even send your photos attached for your email ID. By just click of a mouse, you can also attach songs, video files in your email and send it to your friends or relatives. So you need an email of your friend or the relative, then only you can send the messages. Okay, children. Now, online shopping. Next page. See, now we have page number 23. In that, online shopping. So, online shopping, everyone know now. Okay, online shopping can be done by sitting at a home using internet. We can buy anything that you want from anywhere in the world by choosing a product you want from different product list. After choosing a product, you have to place an order to the seller on the net by paying the amount with the help of a credit card. The product gets delivered to you in a day or two by courier. So what is this online shopping? First you have to buy anything, that you have to choose a product. Then what you have to do? Then what you have to place an order to the seller. Place an order to the seller. Then on the net by paying the amount with the help of credit card. With the help of credit card, you are paying the amount, and the product gets delivered to you in a day or two by courier. The products get delivered to you in a day or two by courier. Okay, this is only online shopping. Online shopping is first you have to choose the product, then place a order to the seller on the net by paying the amount with the help of credit card. The amount gets delivered. The amounts get delivered. Then in 1 or 2 days by courier it will get delivered. Understood, children? Okay. Now, searching information. So do you know the credit card is a plastic card issued by the bank allowing you to buy goods or services on credit which you will pay on the later day. Credit card means you can purchase with a credit card, but you can pay that later. Okay, so there's a searching information. Another is a searching information is what? In internet we can search for any information with the help of search engines like Google and Yahoo. For example, if you want to know more about internet and its users, you can find out by typing few words similarly on it on search engine. So something you want to search. First, so we need to have some search engines like Google and Yahoo. We need to have Google and Yahoo. For example, if you want to know more internet and its users, you have to type a few words similar to that to any search engine. You will immediately get a list of websites providing information on your topic. Websites are similar to books with many pages that contain information on different topics. Okay, websites, they are similar to our books with many pages that contain information on different topics. So whatever the topic, you will get more information about the topic through these websites. Okay, children, now can we move for this next page, 24 page. Fill in the missing letters. So what is the word given? The network. 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 Another second one is Yahoo. 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 Number 3, internet. 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 Number 4, engine. 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 Number 5, email. 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 So now here number 1 is answer is network. Number 2, Yahoo. Number 3, internet. Number 4, engine. Number 5, email. Okay, children, now you all got the missing letters now. Now next, fill up the dashes. Dash is a network of thousands of computers. What is that? Internet. What is that? Internet. 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 Dash is an electronic mail. Email. Put E, capital E, dash mail. Mail. You can make conversation in internet using dash feature. Chatting feature. Chatting. Chatting feature. Google is a popular dash engine. Google is a popular search engine. Search spelling SEARCH. Search. Dash shopping is the concept of buying anything to internet. Online shopping. Online spelling ONLINE. Online shopping SHOPPING. SHOPPING. Online shopping. Okay, children, you all understood now. Now fill in the blanks. So internet was developed in the year 1969 with the help of ARPANET. So with the help of ARPANET, 1969 only it has developed. Okay, what is internet? Internet is the network of thousands of computers throughout the world. Internet is the network of thousands of computers throughout the world. How will you, next page children, page number 25. How will you shop an internet? We can shop on internet by choosing a product, place an order to the seller on the net by paying the amount with the help of a credit card. The product gets delivered in a day or two by courier. The product gets delivered in a day or two by courier. So activity, see the activity now. Tick the component and name it. What you need to get connected to the internet. First, what and all you need? You need a computer, telephone and a modem. So in the top telephone box you have to put a tick, and the computer box you have to put a tick. Then down you have the computer box you have to put a tick. Then modem also in that box you have to put a tick. Understood children now? Yes. Identify search engines from the list given below. So what are the search engines are there? Yes, Yahoo is there. Put tick for Yahoo. Internet Explorer is there. Then Google is there. Put tick for that. Okay children, search engines are Yahoo and Google are the main. They are used main. Okay children, hope you all understood children. Thank you children.